My refusal to compromise my principles and play by the rules of the political manipulation made me a target. My impeachment was not based on any legitimate grounds, but was instead politically motivated scheme orchestrated by those who feared my unwavering dedication to the truth and the welfare of the people of Meru. The impeachment process was a sham orchestrated by prominently male politicians who manipulated the system to remove me from office. The national government, instead of upholding the rule of law, actively influenced the outcome, ensuring that the voices of Meru residents who elected me were ignored. Even the courts, which should have been my refuge, were interfered with to block my access to justice. This is not just an attack on me, but an attack on democracy, gender equality, and the rights of every Kenyan woman who aspires to lead. If anyone had doubts on who was behind my impeachment, I invite them to keenly review the swearing-in ceremony of my deputy yesterday. The orchestrators, actors, planners, sponsors, financiers, script writers of my impeachment were overwhelmed by joy. I could no longer hide behind their mask anymore. They all converged at Mwangaza grounds, and one after the other in their speeches took credit of my downfall, with each of them boldly stating the role they played. Some of them went an extra mile to thank the top leadership of this country for the support offered towards the cause. Accordingly, I am firm in my belief that this impeachment was not about accountability, but about perpetuating a culture of male dominance in leadership. It is a sad reality that in 2025, women leaders are still subjected to systematic discrimination, harassment, and exclusion. My case is a stark reminder of the barriers women face in politics and the length to which some will go to maintain status quo. To my people of Meru County, I thank you for your unwavering support and belief in my leadership. Your voices matter, and I will continue to fight for the development and the progress of our beloved county. To the women of Kenya, I urge you to rise above fear and intimidation. Our journey towards equality is far from over, but together we can break the barriers and create a future where women leaders are celebrated, not vilified. I will not be silenced. I will pursue all legal avenues to clear my name, expose the injustices that have been perpetrated against me. This is not just my fight. It is a fight for every woman who dares to dream of leadership in a society that often seeks to crush those who dreams. I call to all Kenyans, civil society organizations, and the international community to stand with me in condemning this blatant abuse of power and to demand accountability from those who have undermined our democracy. To the people of Meru, I want to assure you that this fight is far from over. I will not be silenced. I will not allow the voices of the people to be drowned out by the greed and collapse of a few. I remain committed to the ideals that guided my leadership. I will continue to advocate for justice, fairness, and development of our beloved County Meru. I call upon all Kenyans to stand against the erosion of democracy and the misuse of power. We must hold our leaders accountable and demand transparency in governance. The people of Meru deserve leaders who will serve